Ready to effortlessly conquer those tricky statistics problems? Meet ShinStats, the app you didn't realize you needed until now. Picture having a personal statistics wizard in your pocket, leading you step by step through the toughest questions. Hey Nixers! Have you ever wondered whether most students prefer online classes? Let's explore the realm of one-sample proportion z-tests. Join me as we analyze survey data, crunch the numbers, and unveil the truth behind the proportions. It's statistical detective time. Begin by launching the app. Head to the menu bar and click on it. And here's a quick pro tip. To make things even easier, use the search bar. Just type proportion, and voila! It will lead you straight to the calculator. All right, Nixers. Got a question for you. Are you ready to determine if the proportion of students preferring online classes differs significantly from the hypothesized proportion? Let's proceed to the calculator to find out. On the calculator's landing page, we'll fill in a few key values. 140 for successful outcomes, students preferring online classes, 200 for the total sample size, and a hypothesized population proportion of 0.50. Don't forget to set our significance level alpha to 0.05. It's crucial for our analysis. Since there is no clear expectation whether the proportion of students preferring online classes is less than or greater than the hypothesized proportion of 0.05, it follows that we are to conduct a two-tailed test. Lastly, since no instruction associated with continuity correction, we leave this selection as is. Now, with everything set, we're ready to unleash the statistical wizardry and decode the preferences of college students. Click Perform Test and watch an ad in exchange for the step-by-step solution. All right, Nixers, let's delve into the step-by-step solution. We'll walk through each phase, providing a sneak peek into what the calculator churns out. First, we list the given values. Next, we state the hypotheses. Next, we determine the critical value. Next, we formulate the decision rule. Next, we calculate the sample proportion. Next, we calculate the test statistic. Next, we visualize the p-value. Next, we calculate the p-value. Hey Nixers, just a heads up about the p-value. If you see a value equal to 0.0, just like in this case, it doesn't mean it's exactly 0. The app rounds off tiny p-values. So when you see something like 0.0, it means the p-value is super small, but not absolute 0. And there you have it. Using our decision rule, since the calculated z-statistic of 5.66 is greater than the critical value of 1.96, and the p-value is very small and is less than the significance level alpha of 0.05, the result of the test is statistically significant. We reject the null hypothesis. This implies that the proportion of students who prefer online classes is different from the hypothesized proportion of 0.50. In addition, since the z-statistic is positive, z equals 5.66, it indicates that the observed proportion is significantly greater than the hypothesized proportion. Guess what, Nixers? We took it up a notch and crafted confidence intervals for the population proportion at 90%, 95%, and 99%. Now, here's the inside scoop. If the interval doesn't even include 0.50 between those two values, it's a sign the observed proportion is significantly different from the hypothesized proportion. And guess what? In every single one of our intervals, 0.50 is nowhere in sight. So, seems like a lot of college students are big fans of online classes, huh? It looks like the majority is really showing the love for digital learning. Did those results light up a spark of curiosity in your mind? Show some love with a double tap or hit that like button. If you're itching for more data-driven excitement, go ahead and download the app from the Google Play Store. A heartfelt thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. See you on the next one. Follow for more.